Hi, everyone. Today, we're learning how to introduce yourself in English in a simple and natural way. There is a practice worksheet in the description. Copy the link and paste it in your browser to practice. My name is Mark, and I'm 21 years old. I'm from the United States, and I currently live with my family. I'd like to tell you a little about myself, so you can hear how a full self-introduction sounds in English. I come from a small and supportive family. I have one older sister and one younger brother. My sister is someone I look up to, and my brother always brings energy and fun into our home. My mom is a homemaker, and she takes great care of our family. My dad is a police officer, and I really admire his dedication and hard work. My family is very important to me, and we try to spend time together whenever we can. I feel lucky to have a family that is respectful, caring, and supportive. Right now, I am a student, and I truly enjoy learning new things. I believe learning helps me grow, not only academically, but also as a person. I like discovering new ideas, improving my skills, and challenging myself. When I learn something new, it makes me feel more confident and prepared for the future. I would describe myself as motivated and hardworking. When I set a goal, I try my best to reach it. I understand that success takes time, effort, and patience, so I focus on being productive every day, even in small ways. I believe that being consistent is just as important as being talented. I also try to stay positive, even when life feels challenging. Of course, not every day is perfect, but I believe a positive mindset helps me handle difficult situations better. Staying positive helps me move forward instead of giving up. One thing that makes me unique is that I enjoy being creative. I like expressing myself through drawing, painting, and designing small projects at home. Being creative helps me relax and express my thoughts in a different way. It also allows me to see problems from new perspectives and find creative solutions. In my free time, I enjoy simple hobbies that bring me peace and happiness. I love reading books, especially stories that inspire me or help me learn something new. I also enjoy watching movies because they help me relax and explore different ideas and cultures. Cooking is another hobby I enjoy. I like trying new recipes and learning how to prepare different types of food. On the weekends, I usually like to go out with my friends. We enjoy watching movies together, going out to eat, or just hanging out and talking. Sometimes we spend hours just laughing and sharing stories. There are also times when I sleep over at a friend's house, which makes weekends feel more fun and relaxing. Spending time with friends helps me feel connected and balanced. During the week, I try to follow a healthy daily routine. I usually wake up around 7 a.m. and start my day calmly. I spend most of my day studying or working on personal projects. I try to manage my time well so I can stay productive without feeling stressed. In the evening, I like to slow down, relax, and spend time with my family or enjoy one of my hobbies. Looking toward the future, my main goal is to be successful in my career and in my personal life. Success, to me, does not only mean having a good job, it also means being happy, helping others, and making a positive impact in my community. I want to use my skills and knowledge to support people and contribute something meaningful to the world. I also hope to travel in the future and learn about different cultures. I believe meeting people from different backgrounds helps us become more open-minded and understanding. I want to keep learning, growing, and improving throughout my life. Overall, I would describe myself as friendly, respectful, motivated, and creative. I value hard work, positivity, and kindness. I'm always looking for ways to become a better version of myself, and I believe that learning English is one important step on that journey. Thank you for listening to my introduction. I hope this example helps you understand how to talk about yourself in English in a natural and confident way. Great job! You can download the practice worksheet in the description and fill in your own answers to practice speaking English. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more English practice videos. And if you want more videos like this, show me a smiley emoji in the comments. See you next time, and happy learning!